Welcome to The Mind, the Cure Protocol for August 20th, 2026. No newly verified patient reaching milestone in this pass has reached care, so we will not pretend otherwise. We are following what changed in the evidence, what new research it opens, and what still needs proof before it can help anyone. This protocol is a living loop. People bring the questions that matter. Direct evidence changes the map. The source ledger remembers what we have already seen and checks the original date before calling it new. Every signal ends with one practical next action, the experiment, validation, collaboration, or care decision that could move it closer to real benefit. Researchers led by Junyu Li, Xiaobing Feng, Sufan Ding, Minute He and colleagues reported a two-stage deep learning framework that infers tumor gene dependency maps from routine histopathology by first imputing tumor transcriptomic states and then transferring cell line essentiality knowledge into patient tumors. The result is a concrete step toward treating cancer as an engineering problem, converting standard pathology images into actionable vulnerability maps, which is exactly the kind of intelligence inversion that could make AI-mediated disease discovery scalable enough to approach a phase transition in how therapies are designed. If confirmed, this could help clinicians see disease signals more clearly and focus the next decision. The useful part is precision, not magic. A clever sensor still has to prove it helps a real clinic make a better decision. Next, show in independent studies that the measurement improves a real clinical decision. The Relieve UCCD Phase IAB program, run under a shared master protocol, reported positive results for duvakitug, an anti-TL1A monoclonal antibody, in both moderate to severe Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. If this holds up, it could give researchers a clearer target for the next experiment, validation step, or collaboration. The useful part is a clearer target, not a finished solution. Independent evidence still has to do the hard work. The next question is whether independent evidence confirms the finding and shows a responsible path toward real-world use. NORROY Bioscience announced that the FDA granted breakthrough therapy and fast-track designations to 68GARF-NYM096, a KIX-targeted PET imaging agent for clear cell renal cell carcinoma, making it the first China-originated innovative radiopharmaceutical to receive breakthrough therapy status. The broader significance is not that AI has cured cancer, but that disease is being reframed as an engineering problem. By combining molecular targeting, imaging, and increasingly algorithmic discovery, the field is moving toward an intelligence inversion in which precise biological states can be detected, modeled, and eventually manipulated earlier in the disease process. If this holds up, it could give researchers a clearer target for the next experiment, validation step, or collaboration. The useful part is a clearer target, not a finished solution. Independent evidence still has to do the hard work. The next question is whether independent evidence confirms the finding and shows a responsible path toward real-world use. The practical read is simple. These are signals, not promises. But each one is a concrete target that researchers, clinicians, engineers, funders, and the people most affected can connect to a next step. Keeping the evidence visible is how the cure protocol stays current without pretending the work is finished.